Welcome back coders, I'm back again with another video, and this video will be over Python. Now we know that whenever an user feeds into Python some data from the console, it treats that particular data as a string. Now how to prove so? So to let me make a new file, and I'll be naming it as type.py. So type is the name of the file and the extension for the file is py, since it is a Python file. Now I want the data which the user feeds into Python. I want to know its type, means the data type. So we need a variable so that it can hold the user given value. So now I will be naming it as variable var equal to input. Please enter a number, or please enter first number. In a similar way, so please enter first number. So I will be naming this as num1 and num2, num1 and then num2, and the input line would be the same as before, only the name would be second variable. Instead of first, we will be giving it as a second variable. Now the problem is that if we do some summation like sum equal to num1 plus num2, what will be the result? Let's check it out. So we'll be giving a print, and then we'll be printing the sum, the addition of two numbers, the addition of two numbers, and we'll be concatenating with sum. So let me save the file and run the program. So it's Python type .py, enter first number 12, enter second number 13, the addition of two number is 1 to 1 3. So why is it so? So it is by default. So let me know. So the data type which the user is feeding into Python, it is being treated as string. For that reason 1 2 is concatenated with 1 3. Now how to know what is the data type? So we have a function known by the name of type, print type, and we will be giving in number 1. Let me make some the data type for num1 is. Now let's print it out. We'll be commenting out this line, this print section. Now if I run the program, enter first number 12, enter second number 13. So the data type of the so this clearly proves that the data type for num1 is class str. So this definitely proves that whatever the user is feeding into Python, it is been taken as string. So how to do the addition? Let me comment out this line. Sorry. So we'll be giving a first number. Let's make some room so that the value given by the user and the prompt whichever Python is showing, that doesn't just come side by side. There is room to accept the variable. So what we'll be doing is that we will be typecasting. I'll be giving is an int. So what this int does is that int takes, please enter first number. I am giving the first number and I am typecasting it to integer. So again let me write int. Now let's comment out this line. Just uncomment this line. Control S, save the file. So CLS to clear out the console. Please enter first number 12, second number 22. The addition of two number is 34. So before ending the video, let me make a gist of what we have achieved. We have achieved that Python takes everything from the console and it treats it as a string, that is a string type of data. So if we are willing to work on with data which is of deals with number, we need to typecast it to integer. So that's all for this short video tutorial, and we learned about the type operator. Here is the type operator. We learned about what is the type operator works and how it behaves. That's all for this video tutorial. Thank you all guys and happy coding.